What's up mga buboys and good morning guys. Mayroon tayo dito ng dahon ng talbos kamote. Okay? Fresh. I always encourage my kids to eat healthy foods like this one, fresh vegetables. But sometimes they complain about the taste. Kasi nga daw, ang lasa ng talbos kamote ay bakit parang lasa ng ampalaya. So what we do, we will pick fresh vegetables, this one, and we will cook in different ways until it tastes just right for them. Imposible naman ang lasa ng talbos kamote ay maglasa ng ampalaya. Imposible. Fresh talaga yung talbos kamote natin. Imposible naman maglasa talaga ito ng ampalaya. Ang fresh ito maglasa ng ampalaya.
Anak ka ng pu.